Learn Hindi thinking verbs. Think in.
सोचना,
With funny pronoun patterns. Welcome to the Thinking Club. Hey, you are here to learn one powerful Hindi idea, how to say think. Good news. This chapter is full of brains, jokes, and zero boring robots, except for one very dramatic robot. Today your star word is
सोचना,
which means think. If you tap your temple and say,
सोचना,
you already sound like someone making wise decisions instead of buying 12 mangoes because they were on sale. We will walk through the full pattern.
मैं सोचता हूँ, तुम सोचते हो, वो सोचता है, वो सोचती है, हम सोचते हैं,
And,
वे सोचते हैं.
ready? First we think, then we snack. Your core word today. Let's plant the main word in your memory first. Keep it simple, clear, and repeat after me if you want. The base verb is
सोचना,
think. Imagine a giant glowing thought bubble over your head saying,
सोचना,
example, I like to think before I speak. In Hindi, the key verb is
सोचना,
very wise, very elegant, very different from my habit of speaking first and then negotiating with my own regret. Example, we should think about the problem carefully. Again, the action is
सोचना,
memory trick.
सोचना,
Sounds a little like search now, as if your brain says, please search now for the correct idea. I think, therefore I need tea. Now let's start with the first person singular. This one is useful when you want to sound thoughtful, polite, or mildly dramatic. I think equals.
मैं सोचता हूँ,
Say it slowly.
मैं सोचता हूँ,
Mini scene. You look at the menu for 15 minutes and finally say,
मैं सोचता हूँ,
that I need the spicy one. Brave choice. Another example.
मैं सोचता हूँ,
This is a good idea. Tiny dialogue. A. What are you doing? B.
मैं सोचता हूँ,
Which sounds much smarter than, I am staring at the wall and hoping wisdom arrives. You think, and yes, probably too much. Now we talk to someone directly. This form is great for everyday conversation and playful practice. You think equals.
तुम सोचते हो,
Repeat it.
तुम सोचते हो,
Example. Why do you think that? Hindi key phrase.
तुम सोचते हो,
Funny image. Your dog is wearing glasses, looking at a chessboard, and everyone says,
तुम सोचते हो,
a lot for someone who still chases his own tail. Quick comparison. Base verb.
सोचना,
But with you, it becomes.
तुम सोचते हो,
He thinks, she thinks, even the robot thinks. Here comes the fun part. Small changes tell you who is doing the thinking. Listen for the pattern shift. He thinks equals.
वो सोचता है,
She thinks equals.
वो सोचती है,
It thinks can also be.
वो सोचता है,
In simple learning context, especially for a robot in our story. Yes, today the toaster has opinions. Mini story. Ravi stares at a difficult question.
वो सोचता है,
Maya looks at two roads and smiles.
वो सोचती है,
In the kitchen, the smart rice cooker blinks mysteriously.
वो सोचता है,
Honestly, that rice cooker may know too much. Easy contrast.
सोचता,
For he.
सोचती,
For she. One tiny change, big meaning. We think like a team of clever goats. Now let's go plural. This is the form for group thinking, shared plans, and family discussions about where to eat. We think equals.
हम सोचते हैं,
Picture a group of very serious goats around a table. No one eats the grass yet. First.
हम सोचते हैं,
Academic goats. Impressive goats. Example. We think this idea is good. In Hindi, the key phrase is
हम सोचते हैं,
dialogue. A. What do we do now? B.
हम सोचते हैं,
First, then we act. They think over there. Last big pronoun set. This one helps you describe what other people are thinking as a group. They think equals.
वे सोचते हैं,
Repeat it once.
वे सोचते हैं,
Example. They think before they speak. Hindi.
वे सोचते हैं,
Mini scene. A whole team stares at one samosa in silence. Why is no one moving? Because.
वे सोचते हैं,
too deeply about who deserves the first bite. Notice the nice parallel.
हम सोचते हैं,
Means we think, and
वे सोचते हैं,
means they think. Speed drill. Let's do a fast and friendly drill. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy the rhythm. Think.
सोचना,
I think.
मैं सोचता हूँ,
You think.
तुम सोचते हो,
He thinks.
वो सोचता है,
She thinks.
वो सोचती है,
It thinks.
वो सोचता है,
We think.
हम सोचते हैं,
You think.
तुम सोचते हो,
They think.
वे सोचते हैं.
Tiny quiz, big brain energy. Time for a cheerful quiz. No pressure. If you miss one, just think about it. See? Educational comedy. What is the Hindi word for think? Answer.
सोचना,
How do you say I think? Answer.
मैं सोचता हूँ,
How do you say you think? Answer.
तुम सोचते हो,
How do you say he thinks? Answer.
वो सोचता है,
How do you say she thinks? Answer.
वो सोचती है,
How do you say we think? Answer.
हम सोचते हैं,
How do you say they think? Answer.
वे सोचते हैं.
Goodbye, wise thinker. You did it. You made it through a whole chapter about thinking without overthinking it too much. Today you learned.
सोचना,
Plus the key forms.
मैं सोचता हूँ, तुम सोचते हो, वो सोचता है, वो सोचती है, हम सोचते हैं,
And.
वे सोचते हैं.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use these forms in tiny daily sentences, and come back anytime your brain wants another friendly workout. You are doing great, keep going.